Hey guys, it's me again and welcome to All Things Bliss. Today we're going to make some satin bags. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you how to make these satin bags. This is the length. Let me push that back. This is the amount of fabric that I used. And I hope you guys can see that. But this is the amount that I used. Alright, and what I did was I just traced a old satin bag that I had. The hair had come in to get this, and I gave it probably like about 1 inch of seam allowance, which means on all the edges I probably gave myself about 1 or ½ an inch more space. So I don't know if that makes sense. So if this was, you know, the satin bag right here, then I went out about 1 inch and cut right here around. I didn't cut right there, you know? Why? So you're first gonna take your satin fabric and cut it out, okay? Cut out your fabric to the shape that you desire, okay? And then you're going to run it through the sewing machine, and you're going to get this, okay? This is how it should look. Another trick, okay, is you want to make sure the pins are going in this way. That way, as you're sewing, you can pull the pins out and put them down. Pull the pins out and put them down. Pull the pin out and put them down. It's a lot easier, okay? It makes things a lot easier. Like that. And I'm going to do it twice. Back stitch twice. We want the pretty sides to kiss. So lay it right on top of the other, okay? You just want to make sure the top is even. So you see I have some extra fabric down here at the bottom. One side is bigger, that's fine. Okay, you just want the top to be even. You want the top. Now, this is the most important part, okay? You do not want to sew this close right here. This is where our ribbon is gonna go, okay, at the end. So you do not want to sew this close. You want to start right here at this seam, okay? Here, okay? Put the press So right here, I'm going to measure this satin bag 4 times. I think that's giving me the best length. So I'm gonna go here, then I measured it twice, then I've measured it 3, then I've measured it 4 times. And I'm gonna cut right there. Okay, and then this is the amount, that's the amount of string that I'm gonna need. So now I'm gonna take this here. We're going to take the safety pin and put it through here and close it. Now the next step is we're going to push it through here. We're going to push it through here. Okay. See, now we pulled it at this end, and now we're gonna push it through the other side. I don't know why I said pull, but push it through the other side. Excuse my nails, y'all. Just push it through and pull it out. Okay, now we have, and then it goes back in there. So disrespectful. So now we have the string coming out of this side. One side of the string, okay? Now you can cut it a little bit shorter. I like mine a little long. So it's just whatever preference you have. But you are gonna end up cutting this. Okay, because whenever you put this through, it kind of makes a little tiny run. That's not cute. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, but transfer paper, you can print your logo on it, and then you can iron your logo on the bag. Because this bag is satin, it is not going to show up, so that's why I'm not going to do it today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit that notification.